I am 34. If you're in your 20s, please watch this. What a title.
So I pull up to work. I'm like 3 minutes late. They already in that morning meeting. As soon as I walk in, I feel the tension in the air. Like, it's thick. I'm looking around the room. As I scan the room, I see the faces. So I was like, all right, something had to happen or been said to make people look the way they do right now.
Did somebody just get shot?
They finish the meeting. We go ahead, we head to work. So my guy pulls down on me. Skirt. He say, hey, bro, can I holler at you real quick? So this brother, he the type to sit back and watch you. Try to figure out, you know what I'm saying, what type of person you is, you feel me? Give you a couple weeks. If you know you're up his alley, he'll come mess with you. If you're not, then he keep it pushing. He don't, you know what I'm saying, no cut card. So, good brother, principle, morals, right is right, wrong is wrong. That's what he stand on. He don't deal with nothing else. Like, bro is righteous. So, we go ahead, we begin to work. He pulls down on me. When he pulls down on me, hey, bro, can I holler at you about something? So, I'm the type, I really think people, you know, gravitate to me because I'm the voice of reasoning. I'm not gonna sit here and feed your ego. You get into it with somebody or supervisor, manager, and you talking nonsense. You like, hey, bro, I swear if I catch him outside of work, this, that, the third. You know, most people looking for the person that's gonna say, yeah, heck yeah, man, go ahead. When you catch him, man, go beat him. Like, you know what I'm saying? Stuff him under a car or something. Some of the most tragic stuff. But that's not me, you feel me? I try to make it make sense, you know. You lose your job, think about the people it's going to affect, your family. You know how that goes. So I'm that person. So when he pulls down on me, he begins to chop it up about, you know, the stuff that's going on around the job. So, you know, people, they need to vent a lot of times. And I'll be that guy. I don't mind because I understand who I am as a person and, you know, why people gravitate to me. So he running stuff down and he pretty much, you know, he's saying how, you know, they can't get over on him because, you feel me, he a man first and this, that, and the third. And bruh says a man don't start learning himself until he's 30. And
I hear it.
Because I already know his age. I'm 34. He like 30, 35 or 36. And when he said a man don't start knowing himself until he's 30, and he pretty much was like, I'm a man, like, don't play me, I know myself. And bruh, after he begins to walk off, listen to me. I'm like, I say, hold up, bruh. A man don't get to know himself until he's 30. He's turning back and he's looking. Now at this point, I am in the middle of the floor. Bruh, that's powerful, bruh. Bruh, you don't know how powerful what you just said is. I'm 34, my journey, bruh, to get to this point, I'm telling you, I didn't really start learning myself until I was 30. I've been single over 5 years. Yeah, about 5 years. I've been abstinent from, you know, adult activities for over 4 years. And in between this time of 30 and now has been the most productive, the most getting to know oneself. Like, this is the most I've ever got to know myself.
Most alive.
And being single. This is the most I've ever got to know myself. Like, know what I like, what I don't like. What I want out of a relationship, what I accept from people, who deserving of things. Like, this is the time in my 30s of me learning myself. When he said what he said, I said, man, I need to get, and this wasn't even a video I originally wanted. This is not the content that I wanted to push out today, but I said, man, that just burnt off a hole in my side. Like, and a lot of us, just like the saying, you know, but this is gonna be a whole nother video. Men don't hit that financial peak until 40, 50 years old. That sounds real. That sounds so true for the simple fact because of all the success I've gained at being in my 30s, single, and just grinding and, you know, focused, not allowing things to, you know, take my attention or take me off my path. And don't get me wrong, like, bro, it's difficult. It's definitely difficult. But when you're in your 18s, excuse me, you can't mind me because I'm trying. That
surprising. This is low-key a good video. I mean, let's see some of the comments. Good message, because I'm not gonna swear. Bro, hope your channel blows up. Me too, man. Did I like the video? Yeah, I did. I just landed on this channel, so No idea. I'm 28, finally learning about importance of consistency. Consistency builds trust in oneself. That's very, very true what this guy is saying. Because whenever you make a promise to yourself and then you break it, you lose trust in yourself, because you know, I'm just capping. Essentially, your subconscious picks up on this. So whenever you're like, yeah, now this year is me. If you've done that way too many times, new year, new me, and you failed, it just gets harder and harder. But if you snap into that and you fight that and you become a doer of your words, oh, you begin to unlock a whole new world. And I'm not talking about Aladdin. A whole new world. You begin to unlock a whole new world. Why? Because you become a doer. If I say it, I must do it. Do you know how dangerous that is? Like, in a good way. So if I say, okay, today I'm running. Today I'm doing exercise. Today I'm going to the gym today. You remove your wording from maybe I might go gym today after work to I'm going gym today. And you know that my word is true. My word is almost final to a sense. That's the difference. And you could probably tell by the way I'm talking that I've reached that age of understanding. So if you're young and you feel like, oh, look, I'm telling you, the younger the better, because if you can grab this knowledge before reaching 30, you've won. That's how you see people, they've been able to become a millionaire before, you know, reaching 30s, because they've obtained knowledge that isn't for their age range. Therefore, they're outperforming their age range and age group because they're operating with an old mind. Hence the saying, oh, you've got old head on you. You've got old mind. Like, you're very mature for your age. If you get compliments like that, keep on doing what you're doing. But if you get the opposite, oh, you stop being so childish. Oh, you're really yeah, you might want to change. Okay? So, link in the description is for the Patreon. For videos, some games that I don't drop on here. Like, share this with someone who needs to hear this, and I'll catch you on